Welcome everybody! In this video I would like to show you how you can import bibliographic records in MARC21 into Wikidata by using MarcEdit and OpenRefine. The video focuses on the data conversion in MarcEdit, as I describe data cleanup and reconciliation in OpenRefine in more detail in the screencast on how to import books to Wikidata using a spreadsheet in OpenRefine. MarcEdit is a free software tool for editing MARC records developed by Terry Rees. It can be used to make small single edits to individual MARC records, but is particularly aimed at making edits across many MARC records at a single time. For Wikidatans, MarcEdit is especially interesting because it offers the possibility to convert binary MARC files into a tab-delimited file that can be opened and edited in OpenRefine. I downloaded an example dataset in MARC binary format from our library catalog. I already opened MarcEdit, and now I will convert my MARC binary records into a file in tab-delimited format. So I choose Tools, Export, Export tab-delimited records. Then I set the file path to source and output files by clicking on the folder I click on Next. Now I can define the fields and subfields that I want to export into the spreadsheet. Let's say I want to export MarcTag 100 and MarcTag 245. So I enter in the field MarcTag 100 and I only want to download subfield A, so I add the subfield as well. I click on Add, and field 100 will be added to my export file. Now I choose field 245, the title field. I would like to export all subfields, so I enter nothing in the subfield field. I once again click on Add Field, and also subfield 245 will be exported in my tab-delimited file. Actually, MarcEdit has a nice function. It offers the possibility to save the settings for future use. So here's the settings link, and you can save the settings you made and upload them again and again. I've already saved my settings and I'm now going to use them. So I will delete the two fields and I will use my settings by clicking on Settings, Load Settings, and choosing my settings. And in all the tags, you can see all the tags I've chosen, and you see that I'm missing the link tag 856. So I will add 865 subfield U to my selection. So now I can export my selection as a tab-delimited file just by clicking on Export. I will now open the resulting delimited file in OpenRefine. Therefore I choose my file. I click on the Next button. and my file will be uploaded. In the preview screen, the right character set has already been chosen, UTF-8, so I just name my project and I create my project. All the mark texts I've chosen are now visible in a separate column. As I explained in the previous screencast, OpenRefine offers the possibility to take the steps one has carried out on one dataset and apply it to another dataset by simple copy and paste operation. I will now apply a previously recorded set of steps which will, among other things, convert values in leader character positions 6 and 7 into a material type. For example, leader position 6A in the first column together with position 7A in the second column will be converted into the material type book. Therefore, I click on my Undo Redo tab, I choose Apply, and I copy the previously recorded steps into OpenRefine, and I will click on Perform Operations, and you can see the changes in the first and the second column. Leader position 6 and 7 were converted into the material type. Now I will use OpenRefine's faceting functionality in order to group my records. A facet groups all the values that appear in a column and then allows you to filter the data by these values and to edit values across many records at the same time. The simplest type of facet is called a text facet. This simply groups all the text values in a column. I want to group my records by material type. That is the first column. So I go to the first column, I click on the arrow in the first column, and a menu will pop up. I choose the first menu point, facet, and then I choose text facet. And you can see on the left hand side a window will open, and in this window you can see that the text of the first column is grouped. In my case, I'll find 2 entries in the list, book and journal article. Suppose I will first work on journal articles. I click on the link Journal Articles, and OpenRefine then only presents a subset of my records that contain journal articles. And I can now clean up and reconcile the journal articles in my dataset. For example, I can now split the author field from the title field, and I can extract the journal source information from the secondary title field and copy it into separate columns. If you are interested in more detailed information on data cleanup and reconciliation in OpenRefine, have a look at the screencast on how to import books to Wikidata using a spreadsheet in OpenRefine. Thank you for watching this screencast, and now enjoy uploading your first bibliographic records to Wikidata.